Good day, everyone. You're welcome to FRANKA'S kitchen today. I want to share with you how I deep cleaned my kitchen towel. You could be hiding some germs in your kitchen without knowing, and you use the same kitchen wipe or kitchen towel all over again and just toss around in your washing machine or use hands. So I want to share with you how I deep cleaned my kitchen towel that they became almost like the way I bought them. So here are the dish towels. I actually used them to do some cleaning, and here is my bowl. What I did, I poured hot water inside the bucket, and I added bleach. I added bleach and a laundry detergent. Now the reason why I did this before putting in the kitchen towel was because bleach usually changes the color of things. So but what I wanted my bleach to do was to aim at my the dirty clothes, the dirt in the kitchen towel. So I mixed it together just to be sure, and I added my dish towels, the kitchen towels. So you can see the color. Look at the color. Yeah. So after doing this, I make sure everything was soaked in. Everything was soaked in. So these are just me being sure that okay, you are in properly. So I covered this for 6 hours. Now look at this is 6 hours later. Look at what came up. Just see how did the face changed and the color of that water. This was 6 hours, just 6 hours later. You can see, and I discovered it was slimy, meaning everything that went inside in process of cleaning was out. Everything was literally slimy. I mean, real slime. So what I did, I had to turn everything inside the sink and squeeze out the slimy part. Whatever was slimy, I squeezed them out the best way I could. Yeah.
Wipe the day away. Golden light on the countertop plays. Every little crumb finds its place. Breathing new life into this space. A fresh start for the heart of our home. In FRANKA'S kitchen. Here in FRANKA'S kitchen.
So after squeezing them out, I washed everything with the clean water. This is actually warm water. I tried to wash everything again because those things that came out until I did not feel any slime anymore. Every single thing. And it became so clean. Yeah, and the slime ended. So after this, I repeated the process again. But this time without the bleach. It's just the hot water, and I used dish soap this time around because now I was sure it was clean. So it's just a process of like, okay, let me be sure. So I repeated the process, and yeah, look at what came out even after the whole washing with bleach. And yeah, I had to wash it again, but this time I was sure everything wasn't slimy as it was. I had to make sure. So if you've used your kitchen towel so long, please do this because it came after it was dried. Everything came out looking very crispy and clean. So if you want to try, go ahead, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Golden light on the countertop plays. Every little crumb finds its place. Breathing new life into this space. A fresh start for the heart of our home. In FRANKA'S kitchen. Here in FRANKA'S kitchen.